Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to try a technique that I learned from YouTube, how to flush a water heater that has a lot of sediment. In our case we have a combination of clay sediment and rust. Our pipes are a mess, yeah, I know. Anyway, the first step is to drain the system. I've already turned off the electrical parts to the pump and the water heater. The next step is to drain the system. And the only the only water tap anywhere in this whole place that I trust is my dad's. Because this one is the only one still connected up to the piping, while the one in there, it's dark. Alright, come on, where are you? Where's the switch? The one in there, my dad thought, oh no, it's blocked. I'm gonna drill a hole through the pipe down into the, down under the floor. Not a good idea. I don't trust that one, because it drains underneath the house. Okay. Turn red for a second. Does anyone want to go to the bathroom right now? Hint, hint. Suggestive. Your brain saying, oh no, I gotta go to the bathroom. This happens to me all the time when I see running water for a constant amount of time. I gotta go to the bathroom. It's weird. Psychological. Yeah, we're going to stay in here until it drips its last. Sort of ASMR. And it's pretty much done. Okay, next bit. Is we then well, the next bit is to open up the valve that drains out the tank, and then drain. Well, yeah, I try to drain as much as from that, and then, well, actually, I've forgotten how to do that. Either you turn on the pump for a moment to get a little water into the tank, and then you force air into it. So I'm gonna switch on the switch it on for a moment, then come back and blow air into it. Hopefully, it will get it unclogged. I just thought if I turn on the water, it's just going to go running out of the tap again. Maybe there is enough water in it, and I just need to blow out the system. There's a lot of sediment and clay and yada yada blah, 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 yuck in the tank, and I'm trying to get it out. By the way, supposedly you're supposed to leave the tap open, because when you blow air into it, it will go through the system and well, it won't blow up the tank or anything like that. I don't know the specifics. I'd have to look at the video again. I don't have the video, so I'm gonna have to do the best I can. Alright, now using a long screwdriver, if I can get to it. Unscrew that. that. Get a little light over here. Yes, this is just dripping under the house, but come on, should be running. That's as much flow as I'm getting right now. Okay, take the hose and the air compressor. There it goes. Come on, let me get a shot of it. Come on, give me a shot. Black gunk. Suppose you're supposed to do that a few times to, I can't see very well. Supposedly you're supposed to do that a few times to get the gunk out. And it's a good thing I had the faucet open, because when I put a whole bunch of air into there, it spit out there. I might want to take a snapshot. I'm going to do that again, and this time you're going to be able to watch the sink as it. I was wondering why it wasn't flowing the other way. It's because I put a whole bunch of pressure going through here. Have to wait for this to stop before it starts draining the other side. Okay, another spot. The next thing to do is to turn off the faucet, turn back. Oh wait a minute. Turn off the tap to the drain, turn off the tap, turn on the breaker to turn back on the pump, and then turn on the tap to put pressure in there and drain the last of the crap out, I think. And then just keep either draining it or going through the cycle of turning it back off, draining it, putting more air into it to get the sediment up, then turn everything off again, turn the breaker on, and then flush the system. Something to that effect. It's very hard to describe when my brain is a vast blank right now. Anyway, alright, I turn on the tap. Come on, wrong way. Brown water. And we just keep going until it turns clear. I think I hit a water bubble. Move around. I gotta wait until that turns whitish. And then go through the process again of putting air into it, spinning up slowly, and turning everything back on to see if it turns dark or white. Well, it's still brown-ish. I'm going to go through another cycle. I went through several cycles. I went through several cycles blowing it, and then I did another thing. Since we're talking about clay, I had to shuffle the barrel. It's full right now, but when it was sort of half full or something like that, I would just shuffle it to get the stuff mixed up down here. As I said, we're talking about clay, so that's been down there for quite a while. I didn't, nobody told me that you had to do a regular flushing every so often. Nobody told me that. I recently found that out on YouTube, that you're supposed to flush out the system every so often. My mind was a total blank. Nobody told me. So, what am I supposed to do if I don't know anything? I don't do nothing. That's the thing. I don't know how to get a driver's license because nobody tells me what the heck is in the book. So I don't do anything. And they don't do anything because it's better for them. It's easier for them. I'm sorry, I'm blabbing again. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm sweaty.